Here are the ingredients for the recipe today. Take notes and get ready. You will need 3 potatoes chopped, 2 bell peppers chopped, 2 fresh corn cobs shelled, 1 medium onion minced, 4 garlic cloves minced, 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Now, let me show you how to prepare all the ingredients for this quick recipe. Now, let's put all the ingredients together in your pot. The first step is adding olive oil. Then, you will add the onions. Let them cook for about a minute or 2. After that, add the bell pepper. Mix them. And after another 2 or 3 minutes, add the potatoes. Let them cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Cover the pot, and after these 8 minutes, mix them again. This is the time for you to add the broth. Let it cook for about 10 minutes or until it's boiling. While it's boiling, add the corn. This is the time for you to add black pepper, salt, or any other spice that you like. Let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then it's gonna be ready for you to eat. I hope you like it and you enjoy it. See you next time.